What does it take to sue someone for emotional distress? Let's break down the legal claim of intentional infliction of emotional distress, or IIED, and how you can determine if you have a case. Hi, I'm Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. Our goal is to simplify legal topics and provide practical insights that help you take control of your legal situation. So let's dive in. The first key to an IIED claim is proving the defendant's behavior was extreme and outrageous. Well, what exactly does that mean? At O'Flaherty Law, we've guided individuals through complex emotional distress claims. With our in-depth understanding of IIED cases, we can help you assess if your situation meets the legal standard and identify your next steps. Suing for emotional distress isn't about insults or minor disagreements. It's about proving severe misconduct that no one should have to endure. Even if the behavior was outrageous, your emotional distress must meet a high threshold of severity. So let's talk about how courts define extreme and outrageous behavior. For behavior to qualify as extreme and outrageous, courts look for actions that go beyond the bounds of decency. This can include abuse of power or repeated patterns of misconduct, especially in relationships like employer-employee or landlord-tenant. If the defendant knew you were particularly vulnerable, that can also tip the scales in your favor. Keep in mind, it's not just about the conduct, it's about the impact. The emotional distress must be so severe that an ordinary person could not be expected to endure it. Courts weigh the intensity and duration of your emotional distress, but physical injury isn't required. Emotional harm often relies on therapy records or other documentation. Without documentation, damages for pain and suffering can be harder to quantify. If someone's outrageous actions have caused you extreme emotional distress, you may have a case for IIED. While punitive damages aren't available, you can recover compensation for actual harm, including emotional pain and suffering. If you believe you've experienced emotional distress caused by someone's outrageous behavior, give us a call at O'Flaherty Law. We're here to guide you through your options and the next steps. And don't go anywhere. Click on the next video on your screen to continue learning more about your legal rights.